In this video, we're going to look at 5 reasons you should be carrying first aid gear on your motorcycle at all times that you may not have thought about. This is a first aid kit from My Medic. This is the Moto Medic. I will have a link down in the description. It did a full video on this first aid kit, so I will put a link up here as well as down in the description if you want to see what is all included in this. But it's really nice because it includes everything from basic injuries like band-aids and burn cream to more substantial injuries like tourniquet and blood clot and a splint, things like that. So it is highly recommended. Number 1 is going to be moto camping injuries. So if you're out camping, you get cut or you get burned, insect bites, things like that, everything you need is in here to take care of those minor injuries. So moto camping comes in at number 1. Number 2 is going to be a maintenance injury. Maybe your bike's broke down on the side of the road and you're trying to do a little bit of wrenching on it. It's pretty easy for that wrench to slip and maybe you burn yourself on your exhaust or you cut yourself or whatever. So being able to just reach in your saddlebag and grab a band-aid or whatever is very convenient. It's super nice to have. And number 3 kind of goes along with that, exhaust burns. Having some burn cream and gauze and things like that to quickly take care of that burn is going to be very important. My son, one time, when he was getting off the motorcycle, he got off on the wrong side and he had pants and shoes on, but somehow ended up just burning the back of his ankle, and it was instantaneous right away, and it did leave a scar, and his mom was not very happy about it. So you know, having something to take care of burns, accidents happen, and exhaust is hot. So that's number 3. Number 4 is, if you've got the first aid kit on your bike, you've always got some medications for headaches and allergies and insect bites and cold and flu meds. Now, of course, if we're on a bike trip out and about on the bike in any situation, we hope that we don't have to worry about cold and flu, but things come up and allergies and all that kind of stuff. And if you've got this first aid kit with you, you have all of those medications, and if you use them, it's very easy to order refills through their website or of course out of your cupboard. And then just because a lot of times you're going to have your motorcycle with you, whether you're at home or at work, at the office, out and about, wherever, you've always got the first aid kit with you. So I've got a My Medic first aid kit on the bike, I've got one in the truck, I've got one in the garage. And it's just super nice to have that peace of mind that wherever you go, you've got what you need to take care of most circumstances or most situations, right? So stay alive, that's their slogan. This is a super nice first aid kit. Check out the video that I did. I'll put a link up here and down in the description so you can check that out when you have time, or right now would be good, because this video is over. You can also check out this video right here. Stay safe out there as always. Have a good one. I will catch you in the next video from Touring Midwest.